guys, I'm Simon here. Oh, why I am alone? Let's find another. We saw the Sprunki here. Where are you, Sprunkies? Oh, let's check it out. It's orange. Ooh. Let's find. Whoa. See? Who are you? Wow. I'm a fun boat. Loop, loop. Come on. I see something. Let's go. I'm a Simon too. I'm Simon. Best one. We find Simon first one. Let's see. I see two friends behind us. Come on. Hi guys. Hello. I'm a clerk. And I'm Mr. Sun. Hello, Clark and Mr. Sun. Where are you, friends? Sprunki? Oh, another Sprunki here. Hi. I'm a purple Sprunki. And what is this? Wow. Hi. Why are you in here? No problem. Who are you? I'm Binaria. Binary green. Come on. That's the other. Huh. It's finally done, I think. No! You see what I see? Maybe a lot of Sprunki. Oh, Pinky here. Pink, 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 pink. And see, Mr. Turner. Oh. And wow, the last one, I think. It's a sky blue. Okay, let's bring on. Oh. Oh, so much Sprunki. Well, let's count that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 9 9 and 10. Wow! It's a 10 Sprunki. We have Simon plus 1. Simon and Pinky. Panbot. Valeria. Orange. Sky. Connor. Darpo. And Mr. Sun. Okay. Woohoo! See you next time. Bye.
Bye bye.